blessings be upon all of you. I begin in the name of the most merciful and the most gracious Almighty Allah, who has created us as the most beautiful and intelligent human beings on earth. First and foremost, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Amina Mahi. I am a student at Mother Oxford School and Madrasa, currently studying in grade 3. Today I will talk about Hajj and Qurbani. Hajj is a big and special journey to the holy city of Mecca. Muslims from all over world go there once a year. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. People wear simple white clothes. Pray to Allah and remember the